This tutorial will show you how to clean up your students' calendars because I know several of them have old classes from last year or other schools, and it makes it very hard for them to join their current classes. So I'm going to walk you through the process of doing that. So when you go to calendars in Teams, if your child's calendar looks anything like this with a bunch of items that have lines through it, that means the original meeting that was scheduled has since been canceled. But unfortunately, Teams does not have a way to just automatically drop them just because it's canceled, which means the student actually has to do it. However, the important part of this is to make sure the students don't accidentally delete the wrong things. If there's assignments on there that, if there are activities that do not have a line through, they may be active activities. So you don't want to delete everything. So I'm going to show you, for example, right here, this is a canceled activity. It says canceled. I'm going to do what's called a right click, not a left click. Left click was going to just open it up. Left click takes me to this piece. I don't want that. Well, technically you could do that too, but it's easy to just do right click and it's going to say remove from calendar and you want to remove the entire series. That means every day that this class is listed that's been canceled will be gone. Now, that's only one thing. So let's do another one. There's another canceled activity. Remove from calendar the entire series. Another canceled activity. Remove from calendar. I'm sorry, left click entire series. Another one, right click, remove from calendar, left click entire series. Another one, remove from calendar, right click series, remove from calendar series. And as you can see, you can slowly start to see that the calendar is getting cleared up. I'm gonna come down to the afternoon, remove from calendar, series, right click, left click, right click, left click. As you can see, it's slowly getting it cleaned up. A few more other things not cleared up yet. There's one up here I just noticed. Now, there's another one over here. So this will just make it a lot easier for your child to be able to just kind of know exactly where to go, and you too. So you will know exactly what day and what time they have various activities. Now, at this point, most of the things that are canceled are gone, or all the things that are canceled are gone. However, if you know your child's specific teacher and schedule, then you may see if there's anything else. For example, I know for a fact that this particular child no longer attends this class. So this is from last year. So even though it wasn't canceled, I'm still going to delete it because I know for sure that they're not using that. Now, if you don't know for sure, then please don't delete stuff that shouldn't be deleted. All right. And so now this kind of breaks it down. So now you can see what day your child has reading or math, what time they have art, when do they have computer class, things of that nature. So hopefully this will help you and your child better navigate their agendas on a daily basis. One last thing, you can also always check how to see your calendar. You can just look for the day at the top. You can just focus on what does my child need to do today only, or you can go by the work week, meaning Monday through Friday, which is all they would really need to do. Um, so hopefully that it helps you guys understand how to best navigate the calendar. Thank you.